Hi creators, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to use Canva to make your digital Christmas cards. Maybe you're cheap like me and you just want to make a digital card because everyone is digital and that's just what it is. You don't want to buy a card, you want to make it yourself, you want to personalize it, that's good too. So Canva is great because you're able to use their templates to create your own Christmas cards that you can download, share on social media, or share with that special person. So today's gonna be quick, simple, and easy. Let's get right to it. So here I'm in Canva, and if you've never used Canva before, just go to www.canva.com, sign up, and you'll be able to use the free Canva software. Now I'm using Canva Pro, and it's great to use. You can even use it for this Christmas card that you're gonna make right now with a free trial. So if you're interested in that, please check my description. There's a link just for you. You get a special discount from me. So have a look at that if you're gonna make your Christmas card with Canva. So let's start. To begin, let's just type in Christmas card. Immediately you'll get templates, and that's what Canva is great and known for. Really beautiful templates that you can just do a little bit of customization with and make it your own. So let's hit Christmas card. Now the thing about it is that you can have your, flat Christmas card here, or you can add some animation with Canva Pro. Again, if you need it, I got the link, just check the description. But let's have a look at what's already here. So immediately there's some great layouts that you can start with, and it's really up to you what you want to do. Make it creative. You want to add pictures, you want it to be simple. I'm a simple kind of gal. I like this meow Christmas here. But yeah, there's so many templates to play around with. So let's just click one, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to customize if you need to. So let's go with this one, season greetings. Right? So as it loads, let's get right into Canva. For anyone that hasn't used it before, all you need to use are over here on the left. These are your different tools, I would call them. You're able to add images here and uploads. Photos are already in Canva, and if you get Canva Pro, you're able to have a library of I don't know how many thousands of pictures that you'll have access to. Elements, these are little icons or pictures or stickers or any lines, boxes that you want to use. So if you're someone that is like super creative and you're able to use all these tools to make your whole thing from scratch, you can do that too. Text, you're able to add different text templates. Canva will have some styles that are already good right out the box, or you can start with just simple headings and make it your own. Styles is really the color palette that you want to use for your layout. And you can make it your own. If you have a certain brand that you're trying to stick to, you can add your own by setting your brand colors, and that's a great feature. Music, there's music in Canva. If you want to send this card as a video, which I'll show you how to do, you can add music to it, and that person will open that video and it's like a singing Christmas card. I mean, that's so cool. That's not something you're gonna get at a pharmacy, right? So this is why we're here, to make something amazing. Next you have video. So with Canva Pro you get HD looking videos that you can put in there. I don't know, maybe you're really going the extra mile with your Christmas card, but you do have the ability to bring videos in. Now, and background, finally, it's just some background layouts that you can use. But because we're using a template that's already here, you don't have to be too crazy. Maybe you just want to add the person's name. So we can always move things by just clicking and moving. It's very simple. You're able to adjust the position. You can put things backwards and forwards, left, align it however you want. Transparency, so I can make this really dull. I can make it really bright. You can add links to it. You can lock that thing in place so that thing will never move no matter what happens, which is good when you're editing. And you can duplicate it. Let me unlock. You can duplicate it by hitting duplicate, and now the whole thing is duplicated. So if you don't like what you did, you can always hit undo and go back, and that's that. Let's hit undo again one more time. There we go. So I just wanted to show you, if you want to add that person's name, I would just go over here and just choose one of these titles, pull it in, and let's say Season greetings, Joe from Michelle. I don't know who Joe is. It just came to me as I was writing. I might want to align this, so I'm just gonna hit alignment and split it right there. You know, I'm not being very creative today. I just want to show you how to use this tool. So you're able to put your name on and you have something beautiful. Now, I'll now show you how to animate this. So if you want to make it even more fun, you can make this move. So let's hit animate. And now the entire thing is moving in. So you're able to save this, not just as a PDF, but if you want it to be moving around and be animated, it can be a video. So really be creative this year. Really make your Christmas card stand out. I would suggest go with a template if you're not that creative, but if you are, you have all these tools in Canva that you're able to just create something amazing. Now, Canva does give you some different options in terms of what you want to do in terms of your final product. So Canva is now allowing you to print your cards and they will ship it for you. So that's great. You're able to pay right here in Canva, put in your shipping, and you can send it. Maybe you want to just keep it digital and keep it as your, like a PDF file. So we're going to hit the download button. And now you're able to choose how you're going to allow it to download. So now you're able to choose how you want to download it. So because it's animated right now, it's suggesting a video. So that's why I said you can make this into a video and send this off to that person. Super cool idea. Or you can just stick to the normal style and just hit PDF print. If you're going to print it yourself, you can add a crop marker or bleed to it if you want. And then hit download. Canva does its thing and Canva does it quickly. Now we're able to see what we've made. And that's your card. It even has the crop marks on there. So if you're gonna print it yourself, at least you have that. Like you can, carry it down to your local, we have Staples or whatever. You can print it yourself if you don't wanna use Canva. Or you can print it without by just removing that option. So I hope this helped. I hope you're able to go out there now, make your Christmas cards. You got some days before Christmas, so you can be creative and send this out to your family, friends, loved ones, co-workers, whoever. And it's a beautiful gift, beautiful idea, and super easy to do. Again, I have to ask, if you love my content, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more of these videos for you, sharing different tips and softwares to help you create and be the best at whatever you want to achieve. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.